So I'm putting a fuel pump in an F350. I'm on my back, the tank is down, and if you want to see what 3,600 lumens looks like above the tank, illuminating everything, you can. There's my remote mounted battery housing carrying an M12 battery. There's the turn on switch right here. And the light is above my head right there, extending in 39 inches from the side of the cab. And now, we turn it on. And there you have 3,600 lumens illuminating above the tank. Better than any handheld light or magnetic light with a little 6-inch wand. It's like daylight under here. It's available at Goose-Grip.com. That housing and that light together is $150 plus shipping. Has a lifetime warranty. Check it out, Goose-Grip.com.